Hello students, this video is for class 6th subject social studies lesson 2nd and lesson name early humans part 1. So let's start. Primitive man evolved from apes. Gradually he learned to walk on two legs and perform various types of work with his arms. He developed and made various tools and weapons to use against wild animals and hostile environment. As his mental faculties were superior, he used them to improve his living conditions. So what this paragraph tells us that at early age, humans are evolved from apes. And what are apes? Apes are the monkeys with no tails. Few examples are chimpanzees, orangutans, gorillas, etc. They slowly learn to walk on 2 feet and perform various tasks with their arms. They also develop some tools, especially strong tools, to use as a weapon against wild animals and hostile environment. Now what hostile means? You can say unfriendly environment. As his mental faculties were superior, he used them to improve his living conditions. So in this chapter we will be learning about early time of humans and how they live, what tools they use. So next, go to the next paragraph. And also, if you can see in this figure, this is the evolution of man. First it was like chimpanzee, then later he started slowly to stand on his feet, then walk on his feet, then looks almost like what we have today. Early man did not know how to grow or produce food. He wandered around in groups to search for food, shelter and safety. A group generally consisted of some men, women and children who stayed together for their safety and survival. It hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, roots, nuts, leaves and seeds. When the plant and animal food got exhausted in one area, the group moved to another. It was the beginning of the earliest society. So what this paragraph tells us that early men do not know how to grow or produce food. So he wandered around in groups in search of food, shelter and safety. And the group normally consists of some men, women and children who stayed together for their safety and survival. So the group hunted animals and also gathered some fruits, roots, nuts, leaves and seeds. And if the plant and animal got exhausted in one area, then the group moved to another place. So it was the beginning of the earliest society. Now let's understand what is Stone Age. Man went through various stages of development which can be judged from evolution of his tools and implements. Anthropologist, and if you don't know what is anthropologist, just look at top of your page. And anthropologists are the historians who studies about the origin and development of societies and humans. Now let's continue. Anthropologists have divided the Stone Age into 3 stages on the basis of various tools and implements. So this paragraph tells us that there are mainly three stages of early man, which are Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, and Neolithic age. And these three stages are given by anthropologists, and on the basis of how in these stages are tools used and what they are made of. So in Paleolithic age, the stones tools are very basic, and later they are developed in Mesolithic and in Neolithic. So now let's see what is Paleolithic or the Old Stone Age. This age began around 5 lakh BC and continued up to 10,000 BC. That is till about 12,000 years ago. In this period, early man used crude tools made of stones. So the Paleolithic age or Stone Age began 5 lakh years before BC and continued till 10,000 BC, which is about 12,000 from present. And the tools were made of stones which are very basic. Now let's move to the next paragraph. In India, such stone tools have been discovered at following sites: the Sohan Valley, which is the tributary of Indus River, the Upper Jhelum Valley, Simla Hills, Sirsa, Beans, and Banaganga valleys, the Nevasna and Pravara valleys, the tributaries of the Narmada River, Narmada Valley, Tapi Valley, Godavari Valley, Malaprabha and Ghatprabha valleys, which are the tributaries of Krishna River, Chambal Valley, Belan Valley, Trinu Valley, and other places in Tamil Nadu. So these are the places in India where you can find existence of Stone Age humans. Now let's see Mesolithic or the Middle Stone Age. This age is also known as Microlithic age, which goes from 10,000 to 8,000 BC. It was the period of transition between the Paleolithic and the Neolithic age. Stone tools of this period are called microlithics. So Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age time period was 10,000 to 8,000 BC, and this is the period was changed from Paleolithic to Neolithic. Next, Neolithic age or the New Stone Age. This age began around 8,000 BC. The tools in this age were much sharper than those of the Mesolithic period. So, New Stone Age shows that humans have developed so much that their stone tools were much sharper than as compared to the Mesolithic or Paleolithic. So this is your part first of second lesson. In the next video we will be doing life of the primitive man. Thank you.